Children, can you hear me? Yes, a very good morning. Obinandan is there, isn't it? Children, am I audible and visible properly? Children, I'm calling out your names. Just tell me whether you people are present or not. Clear? Obinandan, Obinandan Josh. Yes, present. Okay. Then Aharit. Aharit is there. Aharit. Amrita. Amrita Banerjee. Amrita Banerjee. He is in another section. Okay. Annesha Das. Annesha Das. Annesha Das. Orpon. Orpon, are you there? I can't get it actually. Orpon Pal. Orpon Pal is here. Absent. Arpit is present. Atanu. Atanu. Arpit, I have marked you present. Deboshmita Biswas. Deboshmita Biswas. Diya Ghosh. Farhan Akhtar. Jishan Hussain. Kaushal. Kaushal. Kunal Banerjee. Mahul Tamjid. Mayank. Mohammad Mehboob Hussain. Oh, one is Mayuk Seth. Mayank Ghosh. Mayuk Seth. Mayuk Seth is present. Then you have Mehboob Hussain. Meghna Mondol. Mohak Raj. ওখানে সুশান্ত স্যার বা সুমন স্যার কেউ একবার থাকলে একটু পাঠাও না। नफीसा अख्तर, प्रतीक वर्मा, দিন নাকি বুঝতে চ্যাট চ্যাট পাচ্ছি না, একবার করে লিখছে, চ্যাটটা আমি বুঝতে পারছি না দেখে। এই নামগুলো একটু দেখি কি নাম আছে। ছজন আছে তো, দাঁড়ান দাঁড়ান, অমৃতা আছে, অমৃতা, অমৃতা, আচ্ছা আর কে আছে? অর্পিত কুমার, ওটা দিয়েছি, জজ দিয়েছি, তিনটে হলো তো। হ্যাঁ, প্রমিতি নাসরিন তো, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, রাজন্না ব্যানার্জি, দাঁড়ান, এখানে তো সুহানার নাম নেই। সুহানা, সুহানা, হোয়াট ইজ ইয়োর সারনেম? আর নেই তো? ঠিক আছে স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ। জেসমিন, সুহানা জেসমিন, ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। Okay. Now, children, the other day we were doing the writing part, isn't it? So, how many names have been written so far? Sorry, how many question answers you have written? We have completed, I suppose, one chapter. Listen, I have started with the third chapter, that is constitutional design, and I have made them write 4 questions. Clear? Will you be able to collect the 4 questions from them, so that I can make you write from after that, not repeating the same questions again and again? Can you collect the questions from them? Just if the friends give you a snapshot of the question answers written, so what will happen, we can complete the syllabus before time. If I have completed a discussion, just I am making you write because I am having, ma'am, I have collected, okay, it's very nice. So from Arpit has collected, others will also collect, clear? So the name of the chapter is constitutional design. Go to the fresh page, go to the fresh page. It is chapter 3 and the name of the chapter is constitutional design. Clear? Did you get what I am saying? Did you get it? Did you get it what I am saying? Did you understand? Children, can you understand what I am saying? Can you understand? So that same questions repeating in the classes, it's better if you collect from the other section also. What will happen, we can complete before time. So what did I ask you to do? Go to a fresh page in your copy, write chapter 3, name of the chapter is constitutional design. Clear? Now you put question number 5, because the first 4 questions I have made them write in the other section. You will collect it from them and write it in your copy. Can you, children are not giving any responses. I cannot understand what you are doing and what you are not doing. Okay, write down question number 5, right? What do you mean by, this is question number 5 from chapter 3, constitutional design. This is the name of the chapter, right? What do you mean by segregation? S capital, SE double G REGA Tion, segregation, question mark. Write the answer. Right? Segregation is a policy by which certain groups of a society are kept separated, are kept separated by depriving them, depriving, depriving them to enjoy the basic facilities, the basic facilities provided by the society. Basic facilities provided by the society. Full stop. Go for the next question. Right. Which organization carried out, CARRIED, carried out a protest against segregation, in South Africa, against segregation in South Africa, question mark. Write down the answer, and the first alphabet should be in caps. The words which I say, the first alphabets of these 4 words should be in first alphabet, right? The African National Congress, T capital, A capital, N capital, C capital. The African National Congress was established to carry out their their protest in South Africa. In South Africa, full stop. Question number 7. Right. When was the flag of the Republic, R capital, Republic of South Africa first, F-I-R-S-T, first flown, F-L-O-W-N, flown, question mark. I'm just giving you the answer, just you write down the answer, right? Right, midnight of 26th April 1994, 1994, full stop. Next question. Who became the first president, P capital, who became the first president of the Democratic Republic, D capital, R capital, Democratic Republic of South Africa? Question mark. The answer will be Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela. N-E-L-S-O-N. Nelson Mandela. M-A-N-D-E-L-A. Have you written? So maybe this the time period of this class is over, isn't it, children? So the question and answers which you have written, just share it to the others, and from the others do manage to get the other questions. Clear? I will do the other questions the next day. Okay, thank you very much.